How to enable WhatsApp's new video message feature. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys didn't know, WhatsApp is allowing sending a short video message or video notes directly in the chats, making the conversation more personal. Here's how you can do it. First thing you need to do is allow your camera access to WhatsApp. Long press on it, tap on the I button, go over to permissions, and make sure the camera access is allowed. Once that is done, you can go ahead and open up the app. Now, to send a video note or a video message, all you have to do is tap on the chat where you want to send it. Then, right besides your voice icon at the bottom right, you can find a little camera icon. Just tap on it. By default, you can find the video option here. You can also send a photo. And at the very right side, you can find the video note option. Just tap on it. Now, you can easily record it from here. And once you've recorded the video, you can just go ahead and tap on send and you're good to go. So that's how you basically do it. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.